Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My Mercury is usually parked right there. My wife's car, nowhere to be found. My brother-in-law's car. So this was kind of a planned but unplanned video. And I'm gonna show you why real quick.
As we stroll down the sidewalk and...
This is my other car right here. This is a 2001 Infiniti QX4. That's for a later time. Let me know if you'd like to see a review and all the ins and outs on this. Also been a workhorse, but yet a project of mine. Drives good, but I drive the Merc. Anyways, got this big bus here. That's for a reason. That is our church bus that we use.
But if we go around back here, here's what I have in mind.
Here it is. Let me get it out and show you a better thing what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here it is. This is an OEM dual exhaust off of a Mercury Grand Marquis or a Crown Victoria. So I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace for $40. Can you believe that? $40. Complete OEM Ford dual exhaust. Now, from my other videos, you may have seen that my 06 Marquis has a single exhaust, and from the specs that from Ford show that a dual exhaust is a 15 extra horsepower, and that it was more of an option, I guess. And I think the Lincoln Town cars came with it, and some of the police interceptors. But I got this for $40. I mean, it's a great deal. It came with really nice hardware. Let me show you. Came with the hangers on both sides. It looks really good. So why I said this video was planned but unplanned, it was a plan for me to install this one on my own, which I probably wouldn't have been able to. My brother-in-law has a welder, but I've never welded. Two, from what I found out online, that in order to get this part across the rear axle, you'd have to either rip out the axle or just cut it. The third option was to get clamps like this. I'll probably have to replace this one later on as it's a little rusty. And just cut it, clamp it, and call it a day. But anyways, so I just went to the local muffler shop, and my car is actually up on the lift, and I'll show you that. So it was kind of like I said, planned in the long run, or planned for a while. But when I came to go get a price for it and just get checked out with all I need, I ended up just signing the paper, giving him the keys, and walking home to grab the van and deliver this. So I'm gonna go ahead and load this up. I'll show you the car once I get to the shop, and we will take it from there. One thing I regret was not, hi Hannah, special delivery, not getting a before and after. Maybe I'll still have a chance of just the sound of the stock one exhaust or into the dual. My other plan was to take out the rear cats, delete the rear cats since the car does come with 4, just to take out the rear cats that have the no O2 sensor running up to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and load it up, and we'll go ahead and drive this up to the shop.
I thought it would be fun to make it deliver. I was ringing the bell so you know your delivery was here. Wait, can I be with you? Can I drive with you, Daddy?
Careful.
Dad, can I drive with you? Dad, can I drive with you?
You wanna go to the shop with me?
Yes. Can I stay in the back here with them? Dad, I'm gonna stay in the back with it.
With it?
Yeah. Okay?
Okay.
Can you give me like this? Let's go stand right here.
Yeah, go sit in the seat. Hannah?
What?
Okay, you sitting?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Wait, Dad, that was for your car.
That is my car. So the car is right there in the lift.
Dad,
I'm gonna show you the undercarriage once I get.
standing the whole way,
Okay,
Dad.
jump down. Oh, good job.
Up.
Okay, so they went ahead and already removed. Hold on, stay here. Removed the old exhaust. This is the old one. And here's the undercarriage of my car. Hannah, come here. Give me a hand. So I'm gonna have them remove. Hold on. Probably these rear cats. Pretty good, I would say. I think I have a leak right there. But here it is. And I'm gonna let the guys get to work. There you go. Just look in here, make sure you're getting me, okay? Watch the cars. Okay, back up. Watch out. Watch out, Dad. I'm turning out. Watch out. Yeah, I said there's no flanges. Just add whatever those are.
Crazy car.
So we're back at the house. Had to negotiate with the guy. And here's the stock exhaust. The pipe. And the Y pipe. Definitely seen some better days, but doesn't look too bad. I'm not sure what I'm even looking at in here. Bye, Hannah. So I'm gonna just leave that here. The guy said a couple of hours, so we'll see. Didn't realize how pricey installing exhaust is, even on the OEM, but I want to keep it quiet, somewhat, a little bit performance, and just the simple stock upgrade. Well, when I get the car back, we'll tune you guys back in with the power of editing.
A few moments later.
Where me and Baba were going on a walk.
Where are we going, Hannah?
To pick up my dad's car.
Which one? Mercury.
The Mercury.
So we started the walk to the shop. Probably a 7-minute walk. But they said it's done. So once I get closer there, I'll show you the work that's been done. I'm kind of excited. Rear cat delete and a dual OEM exhaust over the stock single exhaust that I had. The shop is just across the street behind CVS. Just quick walk. And excited. Don't know what it's going to sound like. If it's going to be garbage or it's going to sound nice. I know it'll get more flow with the dual exhaust and also the rear cat delete, but we'll see on the sound. There's the shop. Don't see the Merc. Oh, there it is. Right there. Okay, I guess I'll go take care of all the payment, grab my keys. I've been here before. I'll link all the info on this shop. They really do take care of me and customers here. Oh, nice Cadillac. And I brought my Infiniti here before. Very good stuff. We'll get back to you when I get my keys. Okay, got the keys. Let's check it out. Let's start it and see how it sounds. Okay, so I got 1, 2 tips. I'll worry about them later. Let's look under here. Oh. Okay, that one's sagging kind of low. Not sure if that's what it's supposed to be. The mufflers. Okay, moment of truth. Let's go. Okay, so this will be the first initial startup. I'm gonna leave the camera right here. We got co-pilot Hannah here. Right, Hannah?
Yep.
Okay, let's start it. Come on.
We are gonna leave you here 1 minute. We're gonna leave here for 1 minute.
Something came out? Yeah. I guess they had some rat's nest or something. Anyways, let's go. We'll go for a ride. Alright, we got the car.
Got the car.
I'm sure you heard it for the first time. I'll still have to look under how they did the work. Not bad of a price. I did haggle the guy. Not haggle, I negotiated with him on the price, but like I said, he's been taking care of me, so we came to an agreement. We'll do AC off. And it's so hot. We're going home. We opened up the exhaust. Okay, sounds nice and deeper. Definitely like the sound. Future plans are to roll around with this and then get some more high flow exhaust or mufflers. I mean, quiet but a little bit more high flowing. Still to try to keep it breathing and putting out exhaust gases as easy flow as possible, but yet to keep it quiet and very cruiser-like car, because my wife, my newborn, and my 5-year-old drive with me all the time. This is our car. It gets driven every day. Okay, pulling back to the house. I think this will conclude the video for the install part. And if you guys have any comments or maybe your muffler or exhaust setups, put it down in the comments below, and we will go from there. Here's what it sounds on the inside. Okay. Yep. Yep, still corn nuts flying out. It was laying around, so I guess some critters got in there. But I'll keep you guys updated. Could barely see the tips. Later on I'll put some nice chrome ones. this will conclude the video.